Welcome back everyone. In this episode we are going to have a look at how do you install Power BI desktop. So specifically we are looking at the desktop rather than Power BI in general. So let's dig into this right away. Okay, I'm going to provide this URL later on for you to refer to. This is the URL in case that you want to actually access it directly right now rather than looking at either the descriptions or the provided link. You will see that under Power BI, Microsoft, Power BI.Microsoft, and there is the desktop version that we're looking at here. So which is Power BI desktop. Rather than download free, now what happens is that if you are using Windows 10, it will direct you with the App Store. What you may want to do or prefer to do is actually see the download or language options available to you. This gives you the flexibility to make further adjustment. So let me just show you how to access that. So you got Power BI and then you search for Power BI desktop. Okay, so this is the URL. So Power BI desktop -interactive reports and Microsoft Power BI desktop. So instead of this, it will direct you to the App Store. Use this instead to actually access the so-called Power BI itself. And here you have the Power BI desktop options. If you select the drop down here, you can select the languages that works for you or fits your purpose. There are further details as well. So if you click the download, you can select either this 64 or the setup. Okay, 64 really depends on the OS system that you use. It could be 32-bit, could be 64-bit. Nowadays, most Windows version is all 64-bit. So this is actually this would have been the better version to use if you are sure that you are using the 64-bit. This allows you to actually manipulate or work with a larger data set. With that, that's pretty much it. So once you've selected, you can download and you can install and off you go.